Hey everyone, today we're going to take you on a point of view test drive on a 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross XLE all-wheel drive. This one is finished in the windshield pearl with the black Softex interior, and this is priced at $35,449. If you've been looking for a compact SUV that's super comfortable, great on gas, and loaded with the right features, this is the perfect example. This has a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and it's pushing 169 horsepower, paired with a CVT transmission, really smooth and predictable in everyday driving.
Country music, it just brings everybody together.
Right here, I just wanted to show you guys a quick parking job and then pulling out of the parking spot. Fairly simple to drive. I love the Corolla Cross for that reason because they are nice and compact and easy to maneuver. Fuel economy is strong. You get 30 miles per gallon combined, so this is great for commuting or running around town. Inside, this comes with the Softex trim seats. It has heated front seats and it has a heated steering wheel, so it's nice for Pittsburgh weathers. And on top of that, you get the 10-way power adjustable seat with lumbar support. This comes with Toyota Safety Sense, which gives you a lot of advanced safety features for your car, and you also get wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. This also comes with a 3-year 36 bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 5-year 60 on the powertrain. You get that nice 10.5-inch audio multimedia display, and then you get a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. The last thing I wanted to show you guys was putting it in reverse and then finding a parking spot here. What's really nice about the XLE trim is that you get a nice bigger infotainment screen for your backup, and it also comes with the parking sensors. Thank you so much for watching, and for more Toyota related content, hit that like, share, and follow.